Hi, assalamu alaikum, how are you all? Good? Good evening everyone and welcome to Squiddy on the Move. This evening I'm doing a walk in Wadi Al Maawil. I have been here before. I was here during the daytime, but this time I thought let's experience it in the evening. So let's go. Does anyone want a tomato? There's some new shops here since I last came. There's one I found that's a homemade food outlet. I think they do some home cooked food. Let me show you. So you can see the different variety that's available. So that's mango passion. That's hibiscus, and that's? Okay, let's try the mango passion. Thank you. I was a bit naughty, I got two drinks. I got the mango passion, so I'll try that first, and then I've got the hibiscus as well. It was really nice, very sweet. I could taste the mango and the passion. Passionate drink. The first time I tried hibiscus was here, so this is the second time I'm about to have some. The good thing about coming here is there's a lot of freebies, which is quite nice. There's halwa, there's all kinds of drinks, but let's try this hibiscus I got this time. Very nice, sweet and soury at the same time. So give that a shot if you're in the area. Some Omani halwa. So if you're looking for things to do, I'll definitely recommend Wadi Al Maawil as one of the places you should visit. There's lots of cafes, there's places to eat, there's a lot of nature around here as well, lots of fruits and things growing beside you. There's also a falaj system, so you can hear that. It's really nice to hear the water streaming. If you're in Oman, you've definitely got to try this. This is called Mishkak. You can get it as lamb, beef or seafood. So I've got my 5-piece of Mishkak. It's still sizzling, can you hear that? Laham, Mishkak. Let's have a sword fight, guys. Okay, moment of truth. Let's try it out. Really nice. Chewy because it's lamb, but it's really nice and it tastes like barbecued lamb. I could just keep eating this. Hello. Hi, assalamu alaikum, how are you all? Good? Good. Nice to meet you all. Take care. This seems like a famous ice cream place. There's always long queues in here, so let's give it a try. So if you want any drinks, there's drinks here. And they've also got some ice cream at the back there as well. Don't forget, what's it called? Green mango. So you guys ready? Let's try the pomegranate. Oh, it's quite a bit. Oopsie. I'm not going to go for the mango, but we'll try some of the passion fruit. Yeah? There we go, passion fruit. And I'm not sure what that one is, but we'll try a bit of this one. So you've got all the different flavors you can add onto it as well. So I think that's Kinder, chocolate, pistachio, nuts, and Lotus. I'm thinking I might add a bit of peanuts on there. A bit random, but why not? And some Lotus. Take a look at that. Got it? There's also fruits here if you want to add them on top. Then you just get it weighed and then you get your price. So pro tip, you have to pay by cash or bank transfer. They didn't accept credit card, just so you know. Moment of truth. This is the passion fruit. See that? Let's give that a try. Almost tastes like real fruit, which is nice. And let's try the pomegranate. Oh, I better show you first. See that? That's my favorite so far. Then I think this is wild almond. See that one? And that's my favorite. That's really nice. Very sweet, but nice. And it's really nice with the lotus on top with the almonds. It is a bit busy around here, so I am a bit quiet, so I do apologise if my voice is a little low in this vlog. This is new, I didn't see it when I was last here. I mentioned earlier there was a fillage. Can you hear that sound of the water flowing? It's really therapeutic. So this is a bird sanctuary. I'm not sure if you can hear the birds in the background. Good place to bring your kids. This is the ticket counter. Prices are here, so 1 rial and 1.5. Bit of advertisement for the guys inside. They were very friendly, very approachable. Look at that massive donut. Reminds me of someone. I remember this fort from the last time I was here. You got a precious stone here as well. I don't know if you noticed, but there's a lot of mirrors here. So they've given me quite a few opportunities to take some selfies. I remember this cafe from the last time. It's really beautiful inside, but for some reason it's not really well lit up this time. Pro tip, parking can be a bit difficult around here and there's lots of narrow roads, so just be careful. I parked a bit further out and I walked all the way down. It was just about a 5-minute walk, so just be on the safe side. Thank you for joining me on that little walk. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions of places I could go or things I could do, let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.